Why I hate working with dry wood.
Ooh. So there you have it, a spoon rest. This is the third one I've made over the years. First one I made was out of bamboo flooring, and it fell apart in the dishwasher. Yeah, don't put bamboo flooring in a dishwasher. You should put that label on there somewhere. But this one I made a while ago. I really like this one, but it got a little close to the burner, and yeah, it was a fun time on there. Also, this one was a bit too small. I made this out of a 1x4 scrap that I had, and I wanted something a little bit bigger. So this one has about a 4.5-inch bowl, and I really like it. This is a fun project that is great for a beginner because you can experiment, play with it, and if you don't like it, then make a new one. It's kind of like spoon carving because, well, it basically is a spoon, except for it's a little less organic. So it's a little bit easier, and it's a chance to experiment and try different shapes and different techniques. You'll notice in this I used many different tools because I was playing with different things, seeing what I liked, seeing what I didn't like, what worked on each of these. And I really had fun kind of playing with things and trying them out and seeing what worked. And that's what I absolutely love in the shop. I love experimenting, trying new things, playing around, and that's where the joy comes out, because that's the whole reason we're in here, is just to have fun. So if you like this, or if you have comments, questions, even snide remarks, throw those down in the comments down below. Thank you. That does actually help out the channel. Anytime you like, comment, share, subscribe, or even thank you. Thank you. That helps us get in front of more people, helps the channel grow. You know how all that works. But if you want to go even farther, you really want to be an amazing person, think about becoming one of these people over here. All those names over there, those are some of the patrons on Patreon. And without patrons and members, we wouldn't be here. You guys are the ones who support this channel. You keep the lights on and you keep us going. So thank you for that. If you want to think about doing that, then, well, you know what to do. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. I made this from a scrap that came out of a box. And it was my oldest box. You could say it was box elder.